Hi, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are going to make a delicious Caribbean grilled shrimp with bacon wrapped pineapple, all on a skewer cooked on the grill. Stay tuned.
We're using Barrier Reef Caribbean seasoning from Savory Spice Shop. It's got some really delicious ingredients like brown sugar and orange peel and lemon peel. Also has ginger and great red pepper for that little extra kick, and nutmeg and cloves. I'm also going to put squeeze some lemon juice, and then I'm going to finish the shrimp and the pineapple skewers by squeezing some lime juice on there.
Okay, so we're going to start by making the marinade. I just find it easier to put the shrimp in a Ziploc bag, but you could put it in a shallow pan, dish bowl, whatever you have, that's fine. We're going to start by adding our Barrier Reef Caribbean seasoning from Savory Spice Shop. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of that. Just put it right in your baggie. And then you're going to have a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 4 tablespoons of white wine, a tablespoon of Worcestershire, and squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. There we go. And a dash, just a dash of salt. Now let's mix those all together. And you want to let this kind of sit in the fridge and marinate for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour, I'd say, is good. This seasoning is going to give our shrimp and our pineapple that Caribbean flair. So it's going to get a little bit of kind of sweetness in the citrus flavor, but it's also going to give it a little bit of heat. So this is going to be absolutely delicious. You can go to SavorySpiceShop.com and get this. You're going to want to cook your bacon just a little bit. We don't want to wrap it and throw it on the grill with the shrimp and the pineapple because those 2 items will cook faster than raw bacon. So let's get frying. There's our famous sizzle sound we love so much. A trick I learned to help keep your skewers from catching on fire on the grill is go ahead and put them in a tall glass of water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes before you're going to put them out on the grill. This could be a little messy, but we're going to alternate your pineapple wrapped, your bacon wrapped pineapple with your shrimp. So just alternate. I'm going to take a piece of bacon, wrap it around there, skewer it to try to secure the piece of bacon, as well as then skewer my shrimp. And we are just going to continue in this fashion until we have all of our pineapple and our shrimp on their slippery little guys. Keep at it.
Let's get our kebabs on there. Okay,
Just cook those babies and flip them.
Looking really good.
Let's flip these over.
Oh yeah, getting some good grill marks. Woo-wee.
You don't have to cook these guys long, just a minute or two on each side will do it. Just look for those grill marks.
Go ahead and squeeze a little bit of lime on there. Delicious.
There it is, a delicious platter of Caribbean shrimp with bacon wrapped pineapple.
And now for the taste test. Start with the shrimp. So the spices on that Barrier Reef, you can taste the citrus, but you can taste the sweetness from the sugar. And you can also, it has a little bit of a kick, not terrible. Let me try to get some pineapple here. My bacon wrapped pineapple. So the smokiness from that bacon, but the sweetness of the pineapple just go so well together. That pineapple is super juicy, and the bacon, of course, is salty. So you get the sweetness, the saltiness, the juiciness, and the smokiness. This is fabulous, you guys. So I was pretty skeptical about those flavors together, but it's really very tasty, very tropical, and refreshing. I think you'll enjoy it. So you guys know what to do. Please be sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to comment below with the kinds of recipes you want to see on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.